In this video, we are going to review how to use corrective angles in the BotX software. Now that you have created your weld, we are going to move into the Parameters tab and then into Angles. The first thing, you will need to check the box to engage the corrective angles. The side is which direction the torch is moving, left to right or right to left. Work is the angle that the torch is approaching the work, so generally a 45 degrees. The travel angle, when it is positive, it is a push angle, and when it is negative, it is a drag angle. Number 3, the plane is based off of the base or your flat work surface, and this makes corrective angles ineffective for vertical or out of place welds. And this is how to use corrective angles in your BotX XSR software.